Guide me, oh, thou great Jehovah, pilgrim through.
Una, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world where una dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the open heavens on the go for Pidgin. The open heavens devotional na daily message book wey the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Monday, 4th November 2024, and our topic today na learn from the elders. Our memory verse dey for Job chapter 12 verse 12. Old people get wisdom. Abi long life no dey bring understanding? We go see our Bible reading for 1 Kings chapter 12 verse 1 to 19. Rehoboam travel go Shechem because Israel people don gather for there to make am their king. When Nebat pikin Jeroboam hear the news, he still dey Egypt, the place where he run go hide because of Solomon. They come send people go call Jeroboam come, and all of them go meet Rehoboam, come tell am, your papa Solomon wicked us, come make us dey do hard work. If you pity us, come remove this heavy load for our head, we promise say we go respect you forever. Rehoboam come answer, after 3 days, make una come back and I go give una my answer. So they can't go. King Rehoboam ask the old man wey be dey advise Solomon, wetin una wan make I tell these people? Na him they can't answer am, if you want make these people serve you wella, give them answer wey they go like, and they go use all their hearts take serve you forever. King Rehoboam no listen to them, so he go ask the young man wey be him mate, wetin una want make I do? Wetin I go tell these people wey say make I pity them? Na him they can't answer, you go tell them, I wicked and I dey hard pass my papa Solomon. You go still tell them, my papa give una hard work do, but I go make the work hard pass as e be before. Na ordinary cane e take flog una, but na koboko I go take the flog una. After 3 days, Jeroboam and the people go meet Rehoboam just as he tell them. The king no listen to the old people advice, so instead, he talk to them anyhow just as the young man advise am. He say, my papa give una hard work, but I go make una work hard pass as e be before. My papa dey flog una with ordinary cane, but I go flog una with koboko. Na so God want make e be, so that wetin he tell prophet Ahijah for Shiloh say make he tell Nebat pikin Jeroboam go fit happen. And na this make the king no listen to the people. When the people see say the king no wan listen to them, they come begin shout, make David and his family get out. Wetin they don do for us before sef? Israel people, make we dey go house, make King Rehoboam take care of himself. So the people begin quarrel among themselves. As dem waka leave Rehoboam make he be king to only those people wey dey Judah area. So King Rehoboam send Adoniram wey be the workers oga say, make he go meet Israel people, but they stone and die. And as King Rehoboam hear wetin happen, he quick enter in chariot, he come run go Jerusalem. And as since then, Israel people for north begin fight against David's kingdom. Now the message. Elderly people get plenty wisdom well oh. No matter how you know book reach, e get some kind things wey person no fit learn for inside classroom oh. Na for only classroom of life they fit learn am and by experience. Even though say I get PhD, I don learn to dey ask my elders for advice every time. Na the reason why you dey always hear me say the elders get one saying, because e get some kind valuable things wey I don learn from elders wey all the school wey I go be no give me. I been get opportunity to sit down for the feet of my father in the Lord, Pastor Josiah Akidayomi. Every week I go visit am to ask am question, and he go teach me lesson wey dey valuable well. I also been get opportunity to learn from Pa SG Elton. Every 2 weeks I go travel go Elisha. He teach me many things, even though I been no first gree with some of them because I feel say they no dey correct. But as I come dey grow, I can't say wetin e be dey talk dey correct o. One of the things wey im teach me be say make I always remember say I no be God, no matter the level of anointing wey I get. E also teach me say God dey do wetin e like, and all I need to do na to carry my problem go meet am for prayer, then I go sleep. Na the reason wey be say if you ask those people wey dey close to me, they go tell you say to sleep no hard me at all. No matter how big the problem be, once I don pray about am, I dey go lie down sleep. My brethren, even if your parents and elders around you no read book or dey tush as you dey, lis ten to them o. Anything wey you no gree about or dey hard for you to take understand, keep them inside your memory, no matter wetin they be. One day, if you don wise well, you go understand and you go need them. No joke with the time wey you spend around elders o, whether they dey related to you or they no dey related to you. Tell them make they teach you some of the things wey they know and what they do. E get some natural way to take cure some kind sicknesses wey kill some elders, because the generation wey come after them no learn about them when they be get the opportunity to. Some important principles of life don lost this way. Learn all you fit learn from elders o, especially the Christian elders wey you still get around you before they die go meet God. The main point for today's message be say spend enough time with the elders wey dey around you. E get plenty wisdom wey you fit learn from them o. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Thy powerful hand.